Are you planning to get vaccinated and wondering how these vaccines actually work? Then you're at the right place. I'm Arden Minch, and in the series of Let's Know COVID-19 Better, we'll talk about types of vaccines and how they actually work. There are three types of vaccines: inactivated vaccines, activated vaccines, and RNA vaccines. Let us now understand each of these in more detail.
Inactivated vaccines. The virus is produced in the lab and treated with chemicals to inactivate it, which means it is not harmful to us. This inactivated virus is injected into our bodies, which stimulates the immune system to act on the virus. Covaxin is an example of an inactivated vaccine.
Let us now understand what activated vaccines actually are. Covishield and Sputnik 5 come under the second category, activated vaccines.
In the case of Covishield, genetic code from chimpanzee's adenovirus is replaced with the genetic code of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Adenovirus is the name of a family of viruses, and SARS-CoV-2 is the virus which causes COVID-19.
Sputnik 5 uses human adenovirus instead of chimpanzee adenovirus. The third category of vaccines are RNA vaccines such as Pfizer and Moderna.
The spikes which are visible on the coronavirus are protein spikes which attach to specific cells in our body and infect them. They enter each healthy cell, and these invader cells make copies of itself and multiplies throughout the body. The virus's RNA is responsible for producing these spikes on the surface of the virus. In the case of RNA vaccines, messengers, also called mRNA, enter our cells and give them instructions to build the spikes of coronavirus. So, mRNA vaccine contains instructions for themselves that tell them to build a part of the virus in large volume. Once the process starts, our immunity gets into action and learns to attack the intruders. We don't fall ill because it's just the spikes which are created and not the virus itself. Once our immunity learns how to fight the virus, it breaks down all the spike proteins and also the mRNA. The only thing left in our body are B cells or the memory cells. This lingers around for months and years and remembers how to attack this type of invader if the virus infects us again.
If the virus does infect us again, the B cells can produce the correct antibodies, preventing the virus from spreading and making us sick. I hope now you have a clear understanding of how the vaccines actually work. Stay tuned for more stories on the pandemic. Stay safe, book your slots, and get vaccinated.